Hey guys, welcome to another video of how do I do this one. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter for Mazda CX-5 2021 model. So this is where your engine air filter stays on. So you'll see the clips over here. So there are totally two clips, one on this side and one over here, and then there are three holders that holds this plastic. So all you need to do is just flip this clip towards you, and once you clip this out, and then you'll just hold this, and then you can see the three clips over here below this wiring. Like as you see, this is the first wiring over here. So below that wire you'll have the three clips. So once you lift, make sure you're not damaging any of the wire, the cable that's running. So all you need to do is just hold this with one hand and you can lift this up, and this is how the current engine air filter is. So just to show you another clear view, these are the snap-ons, which we have three of them. Like this is the middle one and the first one, and there is another one at the bottom which will go and snap on these three holes. So that's what you have to try to remove. Now we are just going to replace the new one. So you get the benefit of doing this is your mileage and your engine will be much more cleaner. You will have nice fresh air getting into the engine, and I'll show you how to replace the new one. So this is the old engine air filter that we removed from the car, and this is the new replacement one. So if you notice, this is how the new one should be looking like. So now all you need to do is make sure it's like a box, so the top end has to lay flat. So all you need to do is just slide it in, hold this still, and just make sure it lays flat. That's it, you have replaced the new one. Now hold this cable again, making sure it's not damaged or pinched. So once you do that, the first main thing is you have to align the three snap-ons that we showed you earlier in the video. Once you align those, you just need to slide it up, so it just locks. And once you're done, come back here, pull up this clip, maybe a little tighter, which means you haven't snapped one of these clips in the right position. So remove it, make sure it's all good, no cables are on your way, and once you have a good thing, just make sure it's all snuggle, and then if you come back, you should be able to pull it up and make sure the alignments has been right. So it seems I haven't still done one of the clips that's aligned right. So we'll remove it again and slide it in. And now once you have it in position, all you need to do is just raise this clip on top of it. And I would highly recommending a gloves on top of your hands, because if not, you're going to get all the dirt like this. So if you don't mind, you can just simply wash it out, but if you don't mind, you can simply have a gloves as well. And this is how you will replace a cabin engine air filter on Mazda CX-5 2021. If you like my videos, please do subscribe and leave your comments and thoughts. Thank you for watching.